Stay tuned to see how I get this lovely hairstyle done. Stay tuned to see how I get this.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a braided hairstyle. I'm going to be doing a few feed-in braids. I'm going to be doing them jumbo because I don't want to be in my hair all day. But I really wanted them to be long and cute and all of that. But I don't know. I'm going along with the motion. So if I feel like doing it, then I'll do it. If not, then I won't. So I'm thinking of doing like a middle part and then just having the braids down. It's gonna be cute. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. With the COVID virus going around, I really don't want to be getting up in the morning messing with my hair. I just want something that I don't have to do in the morning, like one less process. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Let me know in the comments down below where you're from and how is it over there for you guys. For us over here, those who could work from home, they have the opportunity to work from home. So right now I'm working from home. I'm still going in the office and stuff too, but you know, trying to practice social distancing. Yeah, and then like the stores, they're limiting 10 people at a time, but it's like they're not counting the employees. So it's 10 people at a time, but then it's a lot of employees. So yeah. But anyways, you guys stay safe, and I'm gonna show you guys this hairstyle. So I'm going to be using this braid. It's antibacterial. Okay. Okay. It's 50 inches. It's pre-stretched, and yeah. This is the color 1B27, and this is the hair that I'm going to be using. I have 2 packs of it. It's 6 bundles total. So that's the other pack. I also bought some hair jewels for some decorations, and that's pretty much it. I'm about to part my hair so that y'all could see like how I'm gonna do it. So I'm parting my hair from ear to ear. I know middle part is not for everybody, but I actually don't have a problem with middle part because I pretty much used to do side parts all the time, and then for that reason, like right hair never really cut itself. I mean, it's not bad, like I have hair there, but like right here, this is where my part always used to be. So the hair is like, it's there, but it's not completely full. So I reverted to doing middle parts because, you know, the middle of my hair is like I'm going to tuck this side away because I'm going to work on this side first. Okay, so this look kind of messy, but I'm just showing you how I do it. So these are singles. So each bundle I did like 6 singles, and then one bundle I did like, okay, let's just say like 20. I did like 20 little singles. So I did like small, medium, larger, and then larger, and then largest. And then these are singles and singles on those sides. And that's how I'm going to use it to braid my hair. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do like two rows of singles, and then up here will be some cornrows. Okay, So the first thing I'm going to do is brush my hair like so, and then I'm going to put my hair into 3 sections like so, and then I'm going to take my braid and put it into 3 like so, and then
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
so I'm finished this side. This is how it's looking. Now I'm going to do this side.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go,
So when I got to the back, I was so tired and I ran out of hair. So I was searching for some extra packs of hair that I had throughout the house. So I ended up using 1B30 and a 1B that I found. I couldn't even see the back. I couldn't find my mirror. I couldn't see where I parted. I was just winging it at this point. And I think it came out good, but I think I could have done a better job with the back, but I was tired, so it is what it is.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see them.
So I'm all done. I went ahead and added some little jewels. I added some beads, some gold, you know. I added a little gold decoration. Let's see if I can show you guys how long it is. This is how long the hair is. It's very pretty. It turned out really nice. So long it is. And like I was saying, the back could have come out a lot better, but at that point I was just too tired, so yeah. So that's the back.